What I mean is exactly this. You just pick a city, any city, then you click on jobs, and you click on all jobs. And when that loads, you go to the search, and you type in work from home. And then it pulls all these up. Immediate part-time work from home, June 24th. Okay, that's reply below, so you don't want to fool with that one. Average stream, work from home, customer care service, paid weekly. Here we go. Reply below. Alright, never mind that one. Customer service, part-time openings, work from home. That's the same ad. You'll see what I'm saying in just a second. Here we go, Nashville. This one, if it has a reply. Hit that. And I want it to come from Cash Money Texting. Right there. I'm going to do that. I long press this, get rid of all that crap. Then I paste my message. Just like that. And I send it. It's just that easy.